Hello, I'm Sears-Black, the MD at Biocats. My vision for the future of biocatalysts is fundamentally a continuation down the path identified by Stuart. It's an evolutionary rather than revolutionary move towards being a complete specialty enzyme solution provider. Although that sounds like a mouthful, it's really just reiterating where biocatalysts operate in our marketplace. We're investing heavily to increase the capacity of our fermentation processes, which will reduce our dependence on third-party manufacturers and enable us to offer a wide range of commercial scale solutions to our customers. Beyond that, we have sophisticated and unique enzyme discovery tools such as MetExtra that will give us a competitive advantage as we develop our business, and reinforcing our manufacturing competence. We hold quality standards in such as ISO 9000, 14001 and FSSC. We're looking forward further, and if we deliver on those plans for expansion, we'll be twice the size we are now in 5 years' time. So that's not only an investment in equipment, but also requires an investment in our people. There'll be some new faces around, and we'll continue to develop and promote internally. We've introduced a new management tier recently, and taking people from within our business and some of our new joiners. We have an enviable record of developing staff through the business. Half of our senior management team joined at entry positions in the company. Alongside this, we have our new parent company, Brain, who have a range of tools and expertise that complement what we do. And unlocking some of this future relationship will be key to the future prosperity of what we do as biocatalysts. We can improve our process performance or the delivery of joint business proposals with the guys at Brain, and it's only by succeeding in all of these areas that we will deliver our vision going forwards. It's an enormously exciting time for biocatalysts.